Hello and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? For today's really exciting video, we will be opening up another Series 3 Rainbow High doll. Who could be? For today's really exciting video, we will be opening up the beautiful Daphne Minton. This is our little mint girl. She is looking absolutely stunning. Of course, I ordered her on Amazon as well in Canadian dollars, almost at pesos. In Canadian dollars, she is about $51 on Amazon. That's with tax and everything. Objectively, she is already super pretty. I am obsessed with this like color scheme that we're doing. All of my friends have been going insane about her. Everyone loves her. Yeah, they all just like definitely want me to get her. Like she's just like so soft looking, and like in the show it's so cool how I think she's like accessory design focused, and she had like that podcast about like different gemstones and stuff. Yeah, all my friends like that too. So I definitely had to get her in respect of my besties. And of course, to complete my collection, hello. She's honestly, like, Cheryl and Emmy are definitely my favorites in the entire line, but she is definitely super cute as well. Like, I'm not gonna say that she was my least favorite or most favorite, but just look at her. She got freckles. Her box is just the same as anyone else's. On the top, it says Series 3 Daphne Minton. Oh, I just noticed. All of their little flaggy things, they have like the intended color on there. Then of course down here we can see everyone in Series 3. On the side we've got her second outfit, and on the side we can see that her name is Daphne and accessory design focused. I just love how they really like got these done for these boxes. Like it's embossed into the box. Like that's so nice. And just like all of the other Rainbow High Series 3, or the Cheryl one, that's the only other one that we've opened. We can see all of the characters there. I was really kind of like, I'm like nervous to see how her hair is gonna look like outside of the box, because I really liked her crimped hair. We'll see. All right, everyone, so that is the box in its entirety. I'm gonna open her up real quick and we'll take a closer look at her. So here is Daphne Minton right out of her box, and honestly, I am like so pleasantly surprised. Well, first of all, I didn't know how her hair was gonna turn out. I really like this. I know it looks a little messy, but I actually really like this. Like, I feel like this is the vibe that they were initially going for, like kind of like beachy waves more than anything. Taking a look at her beautiful face here. Of course, most of the Series 3 girls, oh no, I think all of them. All of the Series 3 Rainbow High girls have a new face mold. This is Daphne's. Of course, she has the beautiful mint colored eyes. She's got this Tiffany blue eyeshadow all over. She's got the really nice eyebrows as well. They're not quite as sharp as Marigold's, so, but like, otherwise she's very pretty. And I love the gold sparkle that's in her crease there. Her lips looks to be, it's like a trend in China or Korea where they would like put like most of the lipstick in the middle part and then they kind of like blend it out. So I think that's what they were going for here. So we love a good Asian queen. She's looking so cute just in general, and look at her little freckles. Ah, she's beautiful. And she does have a new earring mold. She's got these really, really thick gold hoops that say rainbow all over it. She is an accessory designer, so she needs that. Looking at her first outfit here, she is wearing this, I think, is it also Versace? Versace inspired bomber jacket here. Of course, the pattern goes all the way through the back. We've got the really nice trim all throughout the bottom, the sleeves, and the top as well. I really like this gold zipper detail. Oh my god, I didn't realize it moved. As you can see, we do have a little zipper pull that says RH at the bottom. She is wearing a Versace inspired cropped white t-shirt, or I guess it's a tank top. It doesn't have sleeves, and we've got like little gold details. I always forget to mention, but all of this series, like every series after the second series, they come with little manicures there, so that's super nice. And for her bottom, she's wearing these really cute tweed mini skirt, and it's got like this little flappy bit on the side here. It's just with black scribbles. And we have like an actual metal gold grommet in the skirt to hold the little flappy bit. Rainbow high. And for her shoes, she's got these amazing pumps. You can see that it is mainly like that Tiffany blue mint color with the gold details. And we've got a little see-through strap, and the sole is completely black. She's looking so good in her first outfit. I'm gonna put her in her second outfit, and we're gonna take a closer look at that. All right, so here is Daphne in her second outfit. I think I like totally forgot to mention that she comes with her mint colored doll stand, the usual rainbow high clothing hanger, and just like I think I even forgot to mention it in Cheryl's video as well, but they do come with hairbrushes as well. Let's take a look at beautiful Daphne. I decided to keep her hoops in. So here she's looking absolutely stunning. She's got this Moschino inspired t-shirt, just says rainbow with the gold and black details. And she's got this mint colored, I don't even know what kind of fabric this is, but it's a really weird texture. It's like one of the textures that I don't like, but it's pretty nonetheless. It has the gold detail all over it, and of course it does go all throughout the back. Oh no, you really cannot see. No. Oh my god, it doesn't go through the back. Okay, so that's new. I did not expect that. So it looks like the gold is only in the front there. The gold trim does go throughout the back for the top though. It looks like that the pockets don't open, unfortunately, but they are there. And for her bottoms here, she's got these really cool denim jeans, and it's got like all of these different patches on it. We've got some, it looks like paisley. It says rainbow high, like in cursive. We've got like a landscape, I think, and a Versace inspired patch as well. And it's rolled up a little bit. You can see that the trim of it is showing, and it's like a more greener mint. And for her shoes, she's got these really cool, I don't even know what to call them, like they're just like really nice stilettos. They have mint straps with gold details all over it, and the shoe is primarily white. Yes, and it looks absolutely beautiful together. She is just such a really cute doll. Like, I did not expect to like her as much as I did. I mean, not that like I didn't like her in the beginning. Like, obviously she was one of the ones that I like pointed out. I paid money for her, but I'm just like so happy with her. Oh my god. She's just so pretty and she's so cute. I gotta say, I do like the first outfit more. I think this one is a little bit too business casual, but I could totally see like a really metrosexual high schooler walking down the hallways with this. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I feel like my videos have been going by pretty quick recently, but school life is hard. So tired. But I really wanted to get these videos out to really give you guys my opinion. And my opinion is Series 3 is definitely, like, you can even start with Series 3 because they're just like all really cute there. And they all have the head tilt. Let me know what you guys think of Daphne in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about Series 3 as a whole. So far, I think it's my favorite series altogether. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.